Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about there are five things in response related methods presented in karate framework, that is response headers and response cookies and response time and response type and request timestamp. Response header means in the postman when you are hitting for some endpoint, then it will give some headers, and that header verification purpose we are going to use a response headers. And response cookies means when you are hitting that API, it in case if that API is storing some cookies to verifying purpose we are using. Response time means there is a timer for the API, how much time it is taken to loading, to providing the data. For that moment we can able to verifying this one. Response time, what type of response it is coming, and request timestamp. And if you're declaring the request timestamp means that is rarely we can able to specify. And the real practical time I will show you how when it is useful to do for required timestamp. Okay, now first one we are going to see for response headers. If you open my command and we can able to go here, I have already written some content. Now I'm taking this one, these two lines, coming here, and I'm specifying here. Here response headers, content type, and zeroth position. Which position it is presented? If you are going to response headers, and if you go top, first one it will remove because the date format. Then it is next one is content type. This is the zeroth position for that particular one because date it is not a mandatory. And see, if it is going to alphabetical type and it is the content type is, it will go top right, that moment it will take for that also. Okay, and for that I am specifying for content type zeroth position. This header it is basically it will take for, can come to here, you'll see proper documentation here. Response headers, it will take as a map of list it will store in the data, then you can able to use. And here the same one which I copy, right, this one the same format is presented here. You can copy paste this line and try to execute and you can able to find it. And I specify dollar define is the variable to storing that, like in the Java how it is like a string int, how it is there, the same format def. And here content type and content type not equal to or equal to. Now I am specifying for equal to both the conditions should be equal, then only it will pass. Like that I specifying that, just I'm running, and if it is passed then it will work out. And next one is response cookies. In case if you have the cookies, then it will provide. And in my case there is no response cookies, then I'm going to specifying for null cookies. Null cookies. And then we can able to response time, how much response time we don't know, right? For that I'm going to print is the method to printing some data. Response time, how much time it is taken, that time we are going to specifying here. We'll see whether it will print for the response time, and we can able to declare some value, response time, and based upon that we can able to validate. And now I'm going to run this one. We'll see in the console whether it is printing for response time. In case if it is failing, then it will stop there only. In case if it is passed, we will see for our step. and it is not passing. Why it is not passing? Then we'll see. 200 presented. Uh, okay, it is coming for different data. That's why it is failing. Okay, we can comment this line. Okay, and we need to verify for headers, right? Okay, headers undo. Okay, now we'll run and see. Because the two values, it is taking some different values. That's why it is failing that particular line. Now header it will match and cookies it will match and it will print some data. Okay, now again it is why. Actual actual same and expected same. That's why it is failing. Okay, then we can able to use equal. Sorry, I changed. Run. Now it is pass everything. Then we can go for down and see in the console we can able to see for some response time. This is our response time. Then we can able to specify some response time into our place and match response time equal or not equal. Anything mention or else we can, because every time if it is pass or fail, no, then I can able to mention greater than or equal to. It will not take equal or not equal. We will mention not equal 500. Just I'm running again. We'll see whether it will work out or not. But the condition, like, we need to specify the proper time. If the both the times are matching, then only it will pass. It will happen very rare case. 100% we cannot, because the response time now it is failing because it's not same format. No, due to that, for we are going to validate for the same format. Okay. Now another one is response type. Response type, if you are going to use response type, now I'm going to use here it is print, and we can able to see response time, response type. I'm going to mention this one and again I'm running. We can able to see into a console what response type it is providing. Now it is pass everything and we can able to go for down and see response type is JSON format. Means in here the response body type there is a folder like this JSON or XML, HTML, text, auto. This kind of information it will provide. If it is XML, JSON means JSON. Now it is providing JSON. We can be able to validate whether it is JSON or not. If JSON is presented, then we can able to specify for your JSON is working and there is no issue like that. Okay. We can able to specify. Now previous it is 583, 586, now it is 536. Both the time it will like time consuming, it will like right? Due to that also it will fail. For that I commented that one, and we can able to print and we can see that. Okay, these are simple examples now, and we later video we can able to more, we can able to learn this request timeout also. Will learn into your next video session with a clear cut how when we can able to use it for those things. That's all about this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you like this video, please like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Don't forget to share your friends and colleagues. Thank you.